Adversity 2, this wraps up my tuck set project. I want to thank Miss Rojas for donating this fabric to me. This fabric was from a sofa that she had resurfaced, reupholstered rather, and it worked out well for my bow tie and my tux jacket and my waistband here on this particular design. And I also designed some pleats to go down the front of my shirt here. I'm going to show how I use my iron and shape this and sewed it onto my shirt to bring up the shirt to give it a better look, more stylish look. So stand by Adversity 2, wrapping up my tux set project. I'm going to show my ducktail that I put on my white tux throw over vest. So stand by Adversity 2, wrapping up the tux set project. Adversity 2 here, attempting to show my ducktail design here. It starts from the waist of the vest and goes all the way down. It's got a shape at the bottom like this here. And this is my ducktail tux vest. Okay, on the shirt I have one here. I have some pleats that I designed to go on both sides of the button line here, simply by taking cutting some fabric and to the length of from my collar down to about my waistline. I just tuck in, basically folded this by hand and pressed it down with an iron with some steam, and I made some pleats to go on the side of my shirt here, and just some simple fabric that was thrown away. Someone gave me a bag of white rags, and I used them for different projects. But on this particular project, I made the pleats to go on my white shirt on each side. That's what you see here. Okay, we're going to be making pleats for the shirt. I have one here that I made with a different fabric. They're going to go on the shirt. But I'm going to use the fabric that I made my tux top out of, my tux vest, to give it some texture. So I'm going to start with this flat piece of material here. Flatten it out. If I can back up on my camera. I'm going to take and fold this in like that. You can trim it later if it's not even. Just fold it. Take an iron here. I'm going to fold it again and back off of it. Leave a space. Get a close up if I can. On my two ends, open it up like that. Top's going to be further back than the bottom one. It's going to do the same thing. The next one, fold it and go back some and so it'll stick out further than the last one. Back up off of it if it's not enough, stick it out. Take an iron and go all three. that up some. We got that design. And the last piece just fold under. Make adjustments. It's not enough sticking out with your finger. This last piece you can take and fold. Make a fold with that to get rid of the where it's crooked. Just bring it out. Take your iron and go along with that. Oh, there you go. And there you have it. Look like that. Let's straighten that out. We have two of these, one for each side of the button hose. So we're going to take, slide this down some. We'll have it long enough to go past the last buttonhole and all the way up under the collar. I'm going to take and slant it where the collar slants. Cut. Like that. I need to go a little more to make that angle. See if I can. That's good enough because the collar is going to cover it up. Just slide it before she go. And this can also go over the, well, we don't want the buttonholes. No, we'll leave it up. It's going to give the shirt, it's going to enhance the shirt to make it more formal. We're not going to sew it on like this. We're going to take and sew this first so it'll be more stable. Take this to the sewing machine and sew this down, then we're going to take and sew it on the shirt. Go ahead and do this here. Line up the hose. So one's going to go on this side, the other's going to go on this side. I'm going to take and cut this like we did the other with a slant. It's going to be sewn up there. make sure when we sew we get all of this folded and sewn. So that's how that's gonna look when everything's. So we'll just let the button show through there. So we're gonna go to the iron, the sewing machine and get these more stable. Next move. Cut out some excess. This is going to need a lining because it's going to show from the rear. It's going to be facing back. Is going to be facing forward when I put it on. So I'm going to find a lining to put there. Virtually 2, this wraps up my tuck set project. I want to thank Miss Rojas for donating this fabric to me. This fabric was from a sofa that she had resurfaced, reupholstered rather.